first near-death experience of the hike. What's up, guys? We are heading out on a little adventure to the wilderness of Southeast Ohio to go to a cabin in Hocking Hills with some friends. It's our first kind of outing, I guess, since Disney World back in November, so I'm pretty excited about it.
We haven't left the house.
No, we haven't left the house in months, so we're we're very excited.
The next day.
I'm glad that you're only like half pregnant, or
Half pregnant.
else we
I
might
am
not
half
have fit
pregnant.
in this twin bed.
Twin bed.
This is like college.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our first day of college for like the whole year.
We slept in a
We
twin bed
slept
for
in
a whole
one
year.
twin bed.
Just
We like the cabin.
this size, actually, ours was probably longer because it was a twin XL. But
It was a twin XL.
it wasn't like, didn't have cool wood like this, so this is much better atmosphere
It's
than the
nicer
dorm
than a
was.
dorm
Much
room.
nicer than the dorm, yes. Great view.
We have a
It's getting foggy
campfire.
out. Oh yeah, you can have a little fire. You
Is this
toasted
a match?
It looks like a hot dog or a marlin.
Oh, it's a hot dog on a stick.
We should get close. All of that ice just fell from way up there. Woo. First.
The rain's probably making that water
Yeah.
come down, or usually doesn't under pressure.
Right. It's first near-death experience of the hike.
What else could there be?
I thought our biggest danger out here would be like Bigfoot or the Ohio Grassman, but it's falling ice.
Oh, definitely the ice.
Would you say that this jacket is keeping you super dry?
Feel pretty dry.
Hey, if this is Old Man's Cave, where's the old man who lives here?
Where's the old lady?
Yeah, I don't know. Hi. Oh, you're gonna climb it?
No, good hand.
Oh, it does have good handholds. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get out from under these icicles. Hide in this cave down here. The backside of water. So I don't see it, but one of these rock formations is supposed to look like an old man, and I think that's where they got the name for the caves, but I really don't know.
Just the rocks. It is funny that when you guys are like,
I can come get you.
no, I won't pull you down.
Take my hand.
Okay.
Woo, I'm just sliding. You're telling me we have to go into this darkness here.
Yeah,
It's totally fine.
it's fine.
It's fine? I don't know.
miles.
2 miles of darkness.
You meet the dwarf, though.
Oh, okay. Well, in that case, yeah.
This is the new Disney mining ramp.
Don't go into the light, Caroline.
It's a little diamond headed.
Day 2.
What's up, guys? It's the next morning at the cabin, and we got a little bit of snow last night. We're supposed to leave today because I got to work tomorrow, and I don't know if you can really tell how steep this is. The cabin's on top of basically like a big hill, and there's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches of snow, and it rained all day yesterday, so it's icy underneath it. Not gonna lie, I'm like a little worried the car might not be able to handle it. This is the main road here. Luckily, we don't have to leave for like a couple hours. We're only an hour from home, but this is, and you can see it's pretty thick. It's gonna be fun trying to get out of here.
Bye, wilderness.
Goodbye, cabin.
Someone came and plowed the drive.
Yeah. Right after I was like walking this morning and talking about how I didn't think we'd be able to get out, some dude on a John Deere Gator come and saved us all.
It's beautiful.
C'est magnifique.
Okay.
It's all right, we made it.
Bye.
Bye, cabin.
Find your dad. Cameras never show how big the moon really is, but this
It's the super wolf moon. It's not bloody yet.
super blood wolf moon. In Leo, right?
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, it's a Leo eclipse.
Well, that's where my moon is.
It is. Our patio is all covered. I want to find that moon.
It's hiding on the other side of those houses. Look at that. It's really, really cold. We are back home. Just got all the stuff in. I'm probably out of breath because I was scraping off Kitty's car. Surprisingly, the roads in the city were worse than they were in the country, but it was such an amazing weekend. It felt so good to be able to get outside and go on a little hike and kind of connect with nature a little bit and get out of the city, hang out with our friends. It was just overall a really great weekend, and I really wish I could have stayed longer because neither of us were ready to leave. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Remember to create the life that you love, and we'll see you later. Bye.